You are welcome to this channel. Thank you for watching our videos. If you're a returning viewer, a new subscriber, you're welcome. Remember to subscribe and share and like so that this video can get more viewers. Thank you for liking and sharing and for commenting. So in this video we are going to look at how to withdraw from Gate.io. It's an exchange. This is it here. This is Gate.io exchange. If you have it, you want to know how to withdraw from Gate.io, and if you don't have the app, the exchange app, can get it from the link below here. Register with it from the comment section. You will see the link. Register with it and create an account. It's one of the exchange you can use. You can see other exchanges here, but we are focusing on Gate.io. These are other exchanges. We are looking at how to withdraw from Gate.io to Binance. So basically, this is it. We tap on it. Once you open the app, if you have some fund in Gate.io, make sure you have done your KYC and everything. It's simple KYC. You have simple KYCs. This is the dashboard of Gate.io. The first view when you log in. This is how it is. You can see this is home, trade, features, moment, and wallet. So if you are withdrawing, it will be from wallet. So you go to the wallet. When you go to the wallet, the next thing is to tap on withdraw. You want to withdraw, you go to spot. You can see this overview. Then we have spot. You want to withdraw from spot, so you tap on withdraw. Before we withdraw, you need to know which coin you want to withdraw and which wallet network are you using to withdraw the coin. So in this case, we are withdrawing USDT. So this is USDT already. So we select it automatically and click on withdraw here. So in this withdraw, you ask us, you either use wallet address to withdraw, or you use the withdraw gate code, or use easier way, fiat withdrawal. So in this one, we are going to use wallet withdrawal. So we select wallet withdrawal. Now next thing is copy the address. So I'm going to Binance to go and copy the address. I go to Binance. I want to withdraw to Binance. So this video can also serve as how to deposit in Binance. So this is how to also deposit in Binance if you don't know how to deposit in Binance. So once I open my Binance, let me start from the how it will show us. So this is Binance. I want to withdraw. I want to deposit in Binance. So we'll now go to sports. Go to sports. Then click on deposit. Click on deposit. Then select the same USDT. I want to deposit USDT, so I select USDT. Which network is cheaper? So from here, from the Gate.io, can check out which one is cheaper in network. So you can click now. See why they say network here. See this network. Click there, select on this drop down. You see Bitcoin ordinals fee 25 USDT, Ethereum is 3.5 USDT, Tron is 1 USDT for fee, BIP20 is 1 USDT. So I can easily go for Tron or BIP20. So I'm going to use BIP20. So I now go back to where I want to send it to, which is Binance. I will go there and copy the address. The next step is to copy the address, BIP20. This is okay. What are you showing us here? Please note that only supported. Yes. Okay. Let's see. Why is it not highlighting? It's not highlighting. Let me close it and open it again. I don't know why it's not highlighting. Okay. Let me close it completely. Start again. So these are the way you can do it if it's not opening, and that is how you do it. Okay, so this is it. Now go back to deposit, select USDT, then select BEP20 network, smart chain. Then this address, copy, tap on this copy button here, and go to get.io where I want to withdraw from, and paste the address here. Select the network, which is BEP20, using BEP20 here. So the minimum is 2 USDT. So that means we can withdraw. So here I want to withdraw all. I want to withdraw this. Okay. So the next step is now click on next. So it will ask me to enter my transaction fund, which I need to enter a transaction fund. So I've entered the transaction fund. So click get SMS, sys code SMS. And also I'm going to copy my Google Authenticator. Get text SMS. I need to be fast about this. So you go to the email. I need to go to the email fast. You need to be time conscious. Remember the time is counting. So okay, the one for text I've dropped. Okay. This one is waiting. Okay. I copy the code. Copy. Then rush back and okay. Paste the code here. I think the code I've already gone. Let me see. You see asking me to get SMS. Okay, let me get the second SMS again. Get email to avoid issues. Okay, this is it. Can't start this call now. Okay, I copy this fast. Okay, need to be faster. It's still doing this. Let me paste it first. I believe it will go. This one is coming up now. Paste. I need to copy the one from text message. Okay, copy it. Now go back and paste for SMS. Now the next thing is go to Google Authenticator and copy the Google Authenticator code. It will show blank here because of security. So I'm rushing it to copy before the 1 minute, the 60 seconds countdown. Okay, I've copied it. I'll paste. Click next. I'll copy all this and I click confirm. So once you confirm, so it's processing. So you need to be fast about this. Make sure you're within the 1 minute range. So it's processing. So basically, guys, this is how to withdraw from get.io exchange to Binance. Thanks for watching to the end, and subscribe and share. And there will be more videos on this. You can check out for the next video that is coming up after this. Thank you very much.